Are you tired of installing libraries? Use Google Colab. In your Google Drive, go to this folder, Colab Notebooks. Create a new folder. Call it Data. We're going to put all our data files here. Go into this folder and upload our data file. Open a Colab notebook. Mount the Google Drive so that you can access your data files. Run this code. Connect to Google Drive. Choose your account. Continue. Continue again. Google Drive is already mounted. Now we can start using pandas. When you use Google Colab, you don't have to install libraries. Import pandas as pd. df equal to pd dot read csv. Put in the path for that file. Content, drive, my drive, Colab notebooks. The data folder we have created, followed by the name of the file. Run this code. Check the first 5 records. The file is loaded. Now everything is in Google Drive, your data file and your Python file. Just go back to Google Drive. This is our data file. Go to the folder Colab Notebooks. You can see your data files here. And you don't need to install any libraries. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Happy coding!